Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, uGogo Skhotheni has decided ukuthi yena, she is no longer a sangoma. Girl has decided to just, like put everything down. Uthi yena, she is no longer giving people umuti, she is no longer giving people isidliso. So Utiana, she is a child of God now. She has accepted uJesu as umsindisi wakhe. You know, with the uGogo Skhotheni, each and every month there's always something new. You know, it's like when she is sitting, uyacabanga ukuthi, what can I do next month to trend? Like there's always something new. She is beautiful, very, very gorgeous. But Naman, it's too much now. It's too much. You know, one thing she's trending for this, she's trending for that. Sekukuningi, you know. I know that she is trying to build her brand and stuff, but kuningi. So girl did a video, posted the video on social media, telling people ukuthi, guys, I quit this thing. I am no longer this, you know. I will insert the video at the end so that you guys can watch the video. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Tell me, what do you think about this? Do you guys think this is one of the, one of the publicity stunt or ganjani? I will see you on my next one.
Sanibonani, this is Udumi Muthuning, known as Gogo Skhotheni. I'm officially making this video to announce that I am no longer a traditional healer. I am no longer a sangoma. I am no longer practicing as a sangoma. I am no longer doing consultations. I am no longer giving out isidliso. I'm no longer giving out imbiza, yonke nje lento. I'm no longer doing it. However, I'll forever acknowledge and respect my ancestors, and I'll forever believe in my ancestors.